Hey everyone, welcome to Medfit Zone. Today we will discuss how to stop diarrhea fast. Are you struggling with diarrhea, feeling weak, dehydrated, or just plain miserable? Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to share quick, natural, and effective ways to stop diarrhea fast and help your stomach feel normal again. Let's get started. Diarrhea is a digestive condition characterized by loose, watery stools that occur more frequently than usual. Before we jump into the remedies, let's quickly understand why diarrhea happens. It's usually caused by infections, like bacteria or viruses, food poisoning, lactose intolerance or food allergies, stress or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, certain medications or excessive caffeine intake. Now let's talk about what you should do immediately to stop diarrhea fast. Step 1. Stay hydrated. Diarrhea leads to dehydration, so drink plenty of electrolyte-rich fluids like oral rehydration solutions, ORS, available at pharmacies, coconut water, rich in potassium, clear broth or soups, herbal teas like chamomile. Step 2. Eat brat diet. The brat diet is easy on your stomach and helps firm up stools. Eat bananas, rich in potassium, soothes the gut. Rice, easy to digest, absorbs excess water. Applesauce, contains pectin, helps absorb excess fluid. Toast, plain carbs help settle your stomach. Step 3. Avoid these foods: dairy products, spicy or greasy foods, caffeinated and sugary drinks, alcohol.